Make a development plan. If every day is reaction day, you are in a fixed mindset. You have stopped thinking about what skills you need to grow because you're stuck in the same signal every day. What does a development plan mean? It's figuring out what skills you need or want and doing something about it, like reading books on it or doing an online course. When you have a development plan, you know what your next step of action should be. How do you make a development plan? Number one, what is your desired outcome? Figure that out. You need to have an objective. Once you have an objective, the next step would be, what must I learn? What skills do I need to reach my objectives? Number three, how will I learn it? Will I read books? Will I do online courses? Will I take some lessons? And the final, put it in your diary. If it is not on your calendar, you are not growing. If you like this video, do hit the like button and do subscribe. Thank you.